In any emergency, family safety means more than just protecting adults. Children, elderly parents, and pets all require special preparation. This video will walk you through clear steps to ensure everyone in your household is ready. Children often feel fear more intensely during disasters. Preparation reduces anxiety. Explain emergencies in simple, reassuring language. Call it safety practice, not danger. Practice the family emergency plan together. Walk through the house, point out safe spots in each room and outside areas. Turn practice into a game. Let children find safe places themselves. Discuss the school's emergency plan. Many schools hold children until parents arrive. Explain this clearly. Assign a trusted adult to pick up your child if you cannot. Introduce the child to this person. Older adults and those with disabilities need extra support. Choose helpers, neighbors, or relatives who know your plan. Show them medical equipment. Prepare extra medications and written instructions. Keep mobility aids, glasses, hearing devices close at hand. Always have a whistle and flashlight nearby. 3 short whistle blasts signal distress. Practice evacuation routes together to build confidence. Pets are family too, but shelters often don't allow them. Ensure pets have ID tags, microchips, or collars with contact info. Keep carriers and leashes ready for quick transport. If pets must stay home, confine them to one safe room with water and dry food. Remove hazards and secure doors and windows. A family emergency plan is not complete unless it includes children, elderly parents, and pets. Preparation reduces fear, builds confidence, and increases survival chances. Start today. Protect everyone tomorrow.